Hello everyone. So here I'm going to share a very interesting vulnerability that I found out onto a website of starquick.com. This is a product of Tata Enterprise. This is basically used for online shopping and groceries ordering and other stuff. So I was able to identify a very interesting vulnerability onto this application. So there was a logic flaw into the application verification process. So I'm just going to demonstrate that. For that, I'm going to sign up using a new user. As you can see, I have given the name as Rahul, my email address, phone number, and a password. Now, the application said user already registered because this email ID is registered. So I will use my new email ID to sign up, and I will hit create an account. Now this application is asking me to enter an OTP, and I'm going to hit the OTP, that is 0000, and I will click on verify. As you guys can notice here, this is obviously the wrong OTP that I have given to the application. It is not the correct OTP that I have received on my phone, and I will click on verify. Once I clicked on verify, the application is verifying the OTP, and you can see I was successfully logged in into the application. You must have noticed I have not touched the Burp suite till now. Neither I have did any response manipulation for this website. So I finally want to conclude that I was able to find out a logic flaw into the application where the developer made a very big mistake in developing the verification flow or the process, because when I tried with another OTPs, for example 1234 or 6789, the application gave always one error and did not allow me to bypass the verification flaw. But whenever I used the OTP 000, it always allowed me to log in with anyone's phone number. So I could have taken over anyone's phone number. So you can think like the developer kept a master OTP, that is 000, for anyone's verification, which could allow anyone's verification into the application. And I was able to successfully log in and take anyone's phone number and successfully lead to account takeover. Let's continue. When I successfully made account onto the application, I will just go onto my profile, and as you guys can see here, there is also an option of wallet balance. This makes this attack more dangerous because you are able to take up anyone's phone number. I just showed how to do sign up. You can also bypass this verification flaw on login, and you can log in into anyone's account who have wallet balance into their account, which can be further misused by any attacker. So this basically increases the severity because this deals with payment and money. I hope you cleared. Thank you.